exposing the secret in an elephant's nose. Get ready to be amazed. Surprisingly, elephants don't have any bones in their nose. Instead, their nose are made up of over 40,000 muscles. This lets them lift heavy objects and perform delicate movements with incredible precision. Imagine having a nose that can pick up a peanut and also lift a log. Elephants use their nose for so much, from drinking water to giving each other a friendly hug. So next time you see an elephant, just remember, it's all muscle, no bones. If you found this fun, don't forget to like and subscribe.